back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another part-time work from home job lead. This one is part-time within the United States. It is a contractor 1099 role. And as always, the links if you're interested in applying are in the YouTube description box below this video. But the company, Quadric School of Business and Technology, is hiring someone to review resumes and LinkedIn. They're calling it a resume and LinkedIn consultant. Now, this is within the United States, but they are looking for a remote part-time resume and LinkedIn consultant to advise students and alumni on resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles. They offer their students and alumni a resume and LinkedIn profile review, so they help get those students' resumes up to date and looking good so that they have a better chance of getting placed and hired for a job. So they are looking for someone to review resumes when students submit the resumes or their LinkedIn profile, and you'll review them and provide a written form of recorded feedback. So you'll make notes as to what you feel needs to be changed and updated, taken out, all those things, and you'll provide them a written record of your feedback and suggestions to improve their resumes. So this is completely non-phone. It is paying $30 an hour. Now, they are looking for someone who is an excellent communicator and has strong writing skills, someone who is a strong editor and can quickly prioritize and organize things, someone who can make connections over video calls if you need to explain things, and someone who is able to thoughtfully respond and express complex ideas. Now, they're looking for someone who can commit to 10 hours per week. There's flexibility in completing all of the reviews, so it is a flexible schedule. Now, one thing to note, it is going to require a bachelor degree, although they do prefer a master's degree. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.